Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel once again. As you can see, I got a video card right here. This is an old video card. This is an R5 240. This is a AMD R5 240. It's actually ATI, but ATI went to AMD, so it's an AMD Radeon 240 now. The R5 series. This is 1 gigabyte of VRAM. This has 384 cores, and it has a lot. You know, I was sitting there looking at it and thinking to myself, what can we do with this? What can we do with this? Well, I'm sitting there thinking, since I have an old board, I have a heat sink with the fan, right here. This is an Intel. This is an older version Intel. So, still runs, still looks good. That's a massive heat sink. Look at that. This is a heavy heat sink. So I got the heat sink right here. Oh, I got 3 sticks of RAM, but I'm only going to use 2. So I'm going to kind of mix and match them. You know, we got a Samsung here. We got, what's this? This is, I think this is a Hynix, and this is an HP Hynix. This is an HP Hynix. So, I have a sound card. I have a good old sound card. It's a Rockfish. It's a very old sound card. It's old PCI. So we got that. And I have one of these. This right here is a Intel Duo core. This has the ISA slot. What is it? I keep thinking ISA, but yeah, I think this is what they call an ISA slot. For the reason is that this Rockfish will plug directly in there, as you can see. See, it plugs it directly into here. So, and that's why I got this right here. This will plug into here if I line it up correctly. There we go. We got a nice snap in there. And this right here, let's see, I don't have much RAM, so this is 2 gigabytes. Let's see, this is 2 gigabytes. This is 1 gigabyte. So that's a no on that. And if I remember right, let me turn it around. This won't fit. This is PC3. This is DDR3. And I forgot, this is DDR2. So all this won't fit. So we know DDR3 don't fit. But let me go to my stash and see if we got something that will. Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. This won't fit. This is PC 2.5. This is PC2. Let's see if we got a match. And guess what? We get a match, 512. Let me see, this one, that won't match. This is DDR1. This, I have a little bit hard time seeing, guys, because my glasses ain't the greatest anymore. So I'm kind of feeling around for what I need. This is an old one. This is PC2. This is this might, just might, not guaranteeing it. Nope. Nope, this won't fit neither. Wow. Let's see, we have Smart Modular Technologies. We have 256 meg DDR2, clock 2.5, 333 megahertz. Nope, that won't work neither. Looks like I only get 2 gigabytes. Can't do much with it, but can do something. I got 512, which that won't do nothing. But I'm not really making it a computer. The whole purpose of the video is this. The purpose I'm making the video is that I want to come up with an idea. Okay, let me unplug this. Unplug it. Okay, so we're unplugged there. Let me unplug the video card. These are the old days where they made the little slits in the back. They made this thing almost impossible. Okay, idea is this. Since you got this right here, okay, since we got this right here, this is the dual core. This is, you know, this, I think this would be like, was it 2-core, 2-thread, I would imagine. So let's say instead of the video card being here, imagine them taking the PCIe slot, moving it all the way to the bottom, and putting the video card right here. Reason why I'm saying that is because putting the video card here and routing everything up to the front right here, you would, instead of having a soldered socket from a chip, you have all the thermals right here. You have the VRM right here, and you have the SOCs right here. So instead of taking this with all the VRMs and SOCs and stuff like that off of the graphics card, why not build it where the sound card is, put 2 slots down here at the bottom, take and put this slot here, another one like it down here, put the video card and put a capture card there, put the video card here where the sound card is, and then reroute everything to the video card, but using right here, a socket like this, using the processor, using a socket like this, and the thing is making the video card chip removable. Oh my goodness, I better learn how to put this in. Okay, there we go. So my question is, why can't, well, let's just get down to the brass of it. Okay, let me move you guys up. Hang on, we're moving you up. There we go. See, the whole factor of me showing you this is this: why can't video card manufacturers and motherboard manufacturers get together and take a video card, the processor of a video card, add it to the motherboard through a removable chip? Why can't you have a removable processor for the video card on the motherboard? Are you afraid it's going to overheat? Well, you know, truthfully, if you have the fan and everything else like you do on the video card, you know, you got the fan right here. You have the same kind of fan on there, the video card processor, like you do the CPU processor. Why couldn't you build the video card processor, the socket, right onto the motherboard, and take the sound card, move the sound card to a PCIe slot? That right there, I mean, everybody complains about not being able to get good sound, so why not make it go on a PCIe card? Why not do your sound through a PCIe card, and then take your processor or your GPU and build it right onto the motherboard? Okay, I do understand there are APU chipsets, but what if, just say what if, your processor for your GPU holds the key to the speeds it does? Basically, it's built into the processor. So if you buy one of the GPU processors and you plug it into your board, and manufacturers make certain processors, instead of making all this, okay, eliminate all this and just let the video card manufacturers just make the processors alone. And then now the motherboard manufacturers, they turn around and they make the video card right onto the motherboard. So basically one hand washes another. It doesn't, you know, when you have an ATX motherboard, you got so much room on it. Okay, if you took an ATX motherboard and called that the new MATX, to where you build the video card onto the motherboard to where it has unlimited power and speed and everything, that goes through the random access memory, which you'll have 2 extra slots for the random access memory, which those 2 extra slots will be for the VRAM. Okay, you can build 2 extra slots just for the VRAM. Instead of having 4 slots on a motherboard, you have 2 slots for the CPU RAM and you have 2 slots for the VRAM. I mean, that would be a major breakthrough. Basically, it would reroute everything. Video card manufacturers only manufacture the processors, and they eliminate about 90% of their cost. And then everybody won't be fighting for a video card. They'll just be wanting a processor, which the processors are easier to make than it is the whole video card. Does that make sense? Well, that was my rant for today. I want y'all to like and subscribe my video, and if you want to see more, make sure you ring that bell and subscribe so that way you can get more of my videos. Alright, until the next time, y'all, we will see you then, and have a great day.